Hi, in this video we're going to talk about private limited company, aka BV. I'm going to show you what it is and how you can form it. If you have questions about this or anything related to BV, feel free to contact me. Let's begin.
Let's talk about the BV. The BV, aka Private Limited Company in the Netherlands, is one of the most common company form that you see in the Netherlands. But how does it work? It's like this: you have the company. In the company you have board of directors, but you also have shareholders. If you are one person, so let's say this is you, and you have a BV. In the BV, you can be a shareholder and a director. But you can also have a BV and you hire someone to be the director. Simple as that. When you make profit, the profit goes to the shareholders. If you're a shareholder, you will get the profit. Simple as that. If you hire a person, you need to pay employer's tax. So if you hire someone to work for you, you need to pay them. If you hire someone to be the director, you need to pay them. And when you pay them, you need to also pay the tax for the employers. But if you're a director and you have most of the share, for example, if you have more than 95% of the share, you are not allowed to pay yourself profit unless you give yourself a salary. If you want to know more about this and how the process really works in your case, I will explain to you. But for now, let's keep it basic because these rules change every time and how high your salary has to be changed every year. So if you want to know about this topic or you want to know more about this for your situation, contact me. But let's go on. So if you have a BV, you can share profit, you get profit. You can be board members, you can get a salary, and on the salary you have to pay taxes. You can hire employers, you can also have to pay taxes. You need to pay VAT if you sell products or services. So if you have a BV, you have to pay corporation tax and income tax on the board member's salary, you have to pay that, and a dividend tax if you're giving yourself a share, and VAT B2B when you sell products or services, and if you hire employers, you have to also pay employers tax. So how do you form BV? In order to form BV, you need a notary, and most of the time you go to the notary explain to you how the process works and advise you what the best kind of form is or structure for your company to meet your goals. But most of the time the notary can be expensive. Most of the time it's really handy to have someone that can explain to you how the process really works and also advise to you what the best course of action is in your case, because it will make the process faster and you can also cut the cost for this. This is the BV in a nutshell. I'll provide you a PDF document with everything what you need to know about the BV.
This is the end of the video. In this video I showed you what the BV is and how you can form it. If you have questions about this or anything related to BV, feel free to contact me. See you in the next video.
Infinite power, infinite power, infinite power, infinite power, infinite power.